When you first receive your machine, it will not have the pressure arm assembly installed. Remove the 4 1032 screws and nuts from the bottom of the assembly. Now place the pressure arm assembly on top of the Flat-Matic towards the front as shown. The screw will go in from the inside out. Place the nut on the other side. Tighten until snug. Move the side guide towards the center to better reach the second screw. Tighten. Repeat the process on the other side. Slide the guide back. With the machine off or the switch flipped up to the dispense off position, place your container under the pressure arm. If your container is too tall, you will need to change to the shorter pressure arm sides that come with your machine. Take the 4 thumb screws off of the support rods. Be sure not to lose the spacer that goes between the pressure arm frame and the rod. Once you have removed all 4 thumb screws, loosen the collar and slide the rods off. Unscrew the Allen head screws that go into the frame of the pressure arm. There will be 2 on each side. Use the same screws to install the shorter side frame. Once you have the first side done, flip it over and do the same to the second side. Put the rods back on the pressure arm. The 1-inch collar will go on the back rod between the 2 sides of the pressure arm. Put the pressure arm back on the machine. Again, be sure not to miss the spacers. They will go between the frame and the rod. Now we will place the container under the pressure arm. Move the 1-inch collar so that it is over the center of your container and tighten the thumb screw. Then adjust the height of the pressure arm so that it sits on your container. When adjusting the pressure arm height, be sure that you have a small space on top of the oval slot, approximately a 1/16 of an inch. Then tighten the thumb screws that holds the rods in place. If done properly, the container will float under the pressure arm, lifting it a 1/16 of an inch as shown.